Hello everybody, happy Saturday. I know this is not scheduled, but I'm on because I wanted to play today and I wanted to make this because I was working on my January schedule and this class is going on the schedule for January the 19th. So I was like, hey, let's do a little video. Everyone can see what the class is going to be about on January 19th. Sorry, I'm going to do one thing. We're going to slide all this up at the same time. There we go. Good. So I want you to see what it's all about. So this one is not out yet. You cannot purchase it yet. So don't start freaking out going, I have to have that right now. Now, if you saw my video yesterday where I unpackaged all the amazing goodies from the upcoming Occasions Caddy, you would have noticed me opening this bad boy. So it's this super cute card kit. And now everything's kind of wedged in funny because you can't close it, obviously, until the cards are made. But you can see it here. Just a second, I'll do the last little creasy foldy jobby here. And it does this cute little, it's got the cute little snap on it. Morning, Joe. Anyway, so this is my January 19th card class, okay? So we're going to make one of each right now because I want you to see what it's all about. Best part about this is the actual kit that you're going to see me do today. The kit's $37, okay? So it's got like the cute case. It does 16 cards, whatever. Then you can buy, you know, refills if you want to make more. But there's also the stamp set that you would have to do it. So if you're attending my class on January 19th, you don't need to order your own stamp set because I will have it for you, okay? So should we make one? Let's do this. I'm so excited. Okay, focus. Instruction sheet, Angela. We're going to use the instruction sheet. Now, these cards, okay, they're actually not bad. They're easy. Okay, we've got this. You ready? So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the supplies and we're going to pull out kind of one of each thing. So for example, you're going to get a sheet that looks like this. So I know I'm going to need one of this and I know I'm going to need one of this. Good morning, sunshine. And I know I'm going to need one of the rectangle. Now let's just check what the last card has. Okay, so it looks like we've got, oh, two of this. Okay, so this guy we do two of. Okay, so now I know that I'm done with these supplies for making like my other sets of the cards, right? So I'm going to get rid of things as we go so you can kind of see. Okay, so we've got green shimmer paper. So we're going to need one of those. And we're going to need one of that beauty. And then I think I can get rid of those. There's glue dots in there. So again, like you guys, when you come, you're really not going to need much. Good morning, Danielle. That beautiful one there. Look at that die cut. Love. Okay, tuck those away. Now let's check out these envelopes because they always have gourd. Look at them. So cute. Okay, so we'll take out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to take the rest. We got lots here, okay? So they give you all 16 are gorgeous and coordinate. Hello, Carol. Okay, we've got some rhinestones. So we're going to do one of the green card. Okay, we're going to move it down. Whoops, oh, there's more stuff in there. Okay, we're going to need one of these. Super cute. We're going to need one of this card. Oh my gosh, I love that card. I just want to pick 90 gajillion of that card. Oh, Danielle, seriously? There's so much amazing stuff. Can't wait. We're going to do one of this card. Keep going. We're going to do one of this piece. Make sure I only got one. And one of this card. And then I think I have got them. Okay, check, check, check. Good. Put these guys out of the way. Okay, now look, we're getting into this stuff. So these ones have die cuts. Okay, so we'll kind of, I'm assuming I'm going to need at least one of those. I can always pop more of those if I need them later. And then, again, we're going to take one of you. Oops, there. And one of you. Hello, Guy. Hi, Anna. Hi, Zara. I don't know how many of these I need. Probably more than one because there's 12 and there's going to be 4, well, maybe 3 we need. Okay, let's just pull off more. We'll see. We'll keep going. We'll figure it out as we go. Okay, and then I don't know what I'm going to need from this yet. Okay, we ready? We got all this stuff. We've got bits. Now, you can see I got a little bit of glimmer. I'm going to look like I hit the club by the time we got done today. Oh, Steph, I'm so with you. I saw this, and I was like, yee-haw. The colors are gorgeous. Kind of every aspect of this thing is gorgeous. We're going to start with this guy here. Let's get this guy sorted out. So, it looks like it has got that. I'm going to go down because I know that I saw these pieces below. We're going to go with you. We're going to go with you. And we need one of these. We're going to put some rhinestones on here. I can see those as well. And then I need that gorgeous Grapefruit Grove twine that it also came with, okay? Okay, my dears. So next thing we're going to do is, this one is in Lovely Lipstick. So I want to give you a little word of advice. Now, Lovely Lipstick is a lovely color. When my phone alert, oh, Lisa, yay, see? You're like, what's she doing on a Saturday morning? She's trying to warm up. We just went and walked the dogs, and it was like It's raining here. Surprise! North Vancouver. It never rains here, right? So it's raining here, which is not a big surprise, but it's kind of still cool. And when I say cool, I know when you live in places where there's snow right now, it's not cool in comparison, but it's cool for us right now. Okay, so I always hit these guys up in Versamark. And you're like, why? You're not Versamarking. No, I know I'm not. But what it does is I find it kind of protects the stamp from the really bad staining that you can get with your red colors. Now, it's not going to stop it entirely, but it does help it out a little, okay? So let's ink this bad boy up in lovely lipstick. We're doing Incredibly Proud of You. Oh, these would be fun to send out to my team. I like these ones, okay. Incredibly Proud of You. There we go. Stamp that. Oh, look at it. So pretty. Sorry. Okay. And then we're going to clean it off. There we go. Okay. So not very bad staining. Do you see that? It kind of prevents it from being like stained. Okay. So let's take that bad boy. Proud of You card. Oh, I don't know. It just says use this stuff. Yeah, I got it. Pfft. Let's be serious. We know I don't have it. Oh, I know what we need. We missed one of the pieces. I popped it out. You guys saw me. It was a piece that had, what's it called? The stripes. We're looking for the stripe piece. Okay. Oh, there it is. Got it. Okay. We're all good. Oh, so it's just going to go on like that. So cute. Easy. I understand. Okay. And then you're like that. Okay. I think we got this. Now, you've seen my ability to follow instructions. Let's be honest. It's like slim to none. So I am going to take this. Which side do I want? I think I'm going to go... Look at this. I'm like, why are my things not going the right way? Yeah, because turn it over. Jacqueline, you're absolutely right. So Jacqueline made a great comment there, you guys. Jacqueline said that it makes new stamps stamp more evenly. It absolutely does. I don't know if you've ever realized it, and you sometimes find that when you are applying ink to a brand new stamp, it doesn't adhere very well. And I often will just give mine a scrub with my chamois or something first before I even start. And what this does is it takes off kind of any of the residue from when they make the stamp. Okay, so I'm just taking my little Take-A-Pick tool. If you don't have a Take-A-Pick tool, you need a Take-A-Pick tool. The Take-A-Pick tool and I are becoming very good friends. Now, you would have laughed because I think when I used it initially, I was actually trying to do things like the glue dots with the putty knife part or the little putty part. You know, I'm learning. It's taken me a while. Good morning, Denise. Anyways, okay, so here, almost there. Hey, does anyone live in Ontario? I ordered Harley this beautiful coat from a company called Chili Dogs. They're amazing. But the coat arrived and we ordered the wrong size. It's too big for him. He was cheesed because he didn't want to go out in this rain today. My big baby. Okay, let's slap this one on. Okay, so as I was mentioning, this is my January 19th class. Okay, so now we need to take this and we need to kind of make it. There we go. Got it. Now, that's not going around. That's just sticking on. I can handle that. Bring it. Pfft, no problem. Now, I am going to use dimensionals. It doesn't show them. I don't think, did we have? Oh, yeah, we do have them in the kit because there was that big sheet that I took out last night. Do you remember that? You totally need to Take-A-Pick tool, Jacqueline. You needed to have won one at the team meeting. That would have been even better. Okay, so I'm just tossing these off. Yeah, I took out the big sheet of dimensionals. It does come with dimensionals. I took them out yesterday because I got all excited because I love dimensionals. I have dimensional issues. And it had a jumbo sheet of dimensionals, which, I don't know, let's be serious. I'm probably just going to frame and put on my wall. Love that one. Okay, and then we're going to come in here. I'm going to pop this bad boy up. And everyone's going to be set because you've got your own rhinestones and everything to go when you make this kit. So it's not going to be any kind of a big ordeal to get yourself all your bits that you need. The only thing you're going to need in addition is your stamp set, like I said. But if you attend the class on the 19th, then you don't need your stamp set, right? You just come and you make it and you do your stamping. And even if you don't have time to make all your cards that day, you can stamp your bits, because that doesn't sound awkward at all. And then you're all set to go. Okay, so make sure that you get that organized. Now, with the, what's it called? Attaching my twine. What? Oh, just excuse me for 1 second. I have a child asking me a question about someone at the door. Yes. Is it a man?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bag hanging out there for his wife, Colleen.
Oh.
Okay? It's hanging outside the front door. If it's not out there, it's on the chair, love. Thank you. But I think I put it out. Sorry, I apologize. We have people come and go from our house, and my child, you know, they get that panic look. There's a man at the door, he's knocking, you want something? I'm like, well, did you answer it? It's funny how kids these days are not kind of accustomed to that. There we go, just a sec. And we'll attach that cute little grapefruit grove. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. My children are really good about not interrupting me when I'm doing Facebook Lives, but he's like, Mom, there's a man. Okay, look at that. Now, we do want to put the rhinestones on because everything is made better with rhinestones, yes? Okay, so hang on. Let's grab them. And again, we can just use this guy. Where am I going to put him? Let's place him. We'll do one. I know I could be a normal human being and pick them up in a row from where I'm starting, but I don't. I just kind of randomly pick up rhinestone, which is, hi, sweet Scarlet, which is kind of funny considering the issues I have with things all kind of being organized. Rhinestones don't bother me. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Yes, so Anna, it comes with those rhinestones. Yes, these ones right here. Beautiful. Well, Jacqueline, you and I know that. We don't put rhinestones on vanilla. It doesn't work. We need our pearls for those. We have the same issues when it comes to that. Okay, so let's go to, who should we do next? Let's do you. Okay, so this one, it actually shows it being done with this guy. Okay, got it. Now it does, hey, we were right. We need 3. I don't even know what I did with the 3. I thought I had them. Okay, we'll find them. 1, 2, 3. Now we did have that sheet of glimmer paper, so it looks like we're gonna need one of you. Let's see, we got it. Yep, we got it. Okay, one of you. How many of you? 2 of you. I'm pulling them off. I'm always hesitant tearing out die cut things because I don't want to wreck them. Oh, I love that back. I know, Jacqueline, it's gorgeous. Did you give it to him?
It's not at the door. I'm pretty sure it's outside.
Okay. You think it's outside? What did he say?
I'm trying to find it just in case it's not.
It should be hanging on the mail hook outside, love.
Okay.
That's where it was. Did you look there? It just says Colleen on it, and it's got like a little post-it note. Sorry, you guys. I apologize. I know that's a little bit different than normal. Okay, there we go. Got 1 there. There's 2. We need... I apologize if I do have to go and help him find this. If I do have to go, we'll just pause and I'll do another card when I come back after, okay? So then we've got this one here. Now this one, it does recommend that you use Tombow for it. I'm not going to. You're like, why? Because if I do it live on television and use Tombow, you're all going to laugh and you will never take me seriously again as long as I live. Because you'll be like, you get glue everywhere. Oops, sorry, hang on. Stick down. Okay, over here. Over here. So this is the one hard part about like when you've got a Stampin' Up! Business and it's in your own home, you get those obvious kind of little things that don't always work. And I have to tell you, I have to be super honest, my Stampin' Up! Business is a huge priority in my life, but my family is too. Child, did you find it? Did you find it? I don't know what you're looking at. No, it's not over. There's people on here still. Did you find it?
No, because it wasn't.
Did you find it in the chair?
Listen to me.
Oh, sorry, that was rude. Okay, so guess what, guys? We're going to pause, and I'm going to come back and do the next Facebook Live in 2 minutes after I help my son find this. I'm so sorry. Bye.